Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome to eSpares. In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the thermostat on a Samsung EcoBubble washing machine. Now, if your washing machine is overheating or it's showing the error code TC1, TC2 or TC3, then it means that there is an issue with the thermostat and it needs to be replaced. Let's get started. To do this repair, you'll simply need a Phillips head screwdriver. Safety first, always turn off and unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. To access the thermostat, we first need to remove the back of the washing machine. So to do that, you need to undo all the screws using a screwdriver. And here we have the thermostat just to the right of the element. To remove, simply pull it out gently, like so, and then with it free, you can pull out the electrical connection so it's free completely. Now it's time to fit your new thermostat. To find the correct thermostat for your appliance, you're going to need your model number. Now, if you're unsure about where to find your model number, don't worry. Check out our video here, how to find the model number on a washing machine, which tells you all you need to know. To fit your new thermostat, first connect the electrical connection and then secure it into the electrical bracket here, and then you can push your thermostat into position next to the heater. Once that's done, you can then replace the back of the washing machine. So there we have it, how to replace the thermostat on a Samsung EcoBubble washing machine. Now, while you're here, why not learn to make the very most out of your machine by watching this video here. Energy saving tips for your washing machine to save you a ton of money and energy. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more maintenance advice, repair guides, and all things related to eSpares. Thanks for watching.